Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to hide followers on TikTok. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you gotta do is simply tap open your TikTok app. So once you're gonna do this, you need to tap on the three lines on the top right hand side of the corner and go to settings and privacy. Now simply tap on the privacy option and scroll down to your following list. Simply tap on following list and tap on only you. So now, only you will allow you to hide your followers list from everyone. However, if you are tapping on everyone, this will allow everyone to see it as well. So the setting to only me means no one else can view your list, and this is how you can simply hide your followers on TikTok. This is simple and easy way to maintain privacy on your TikTok account, which will allow you to have some personal space and people won't be able to see all your followers. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.